Hello world, this is Chris with Elevations. I'm doing an unbagging today. This is a pretty simple product, but it's very important to have. We're working on a 6S based drone system, so we are about that 22 volt as far as our DC circuitry, and we do have a Raspberry Pi that's going to be on this drone. And as you know, the Raspberry Pi typical input with that USB plug is 5 volt. So this is a converter, a buck converter, if you will, that brings anywhere from, I do believe this one will range from 19 to 20 or 32 volts and bring it right down to 5. You can see that barely on that label. Hopefully inside the actual unit will tell me. Now I've used a lot of these for 12 volt down to 5, so we can do Raspberry Pis off a battery system, nothing left in there. But since we're going with a 6S circuit on this particular system, definitely needed to get a different device to do that. Alright, so it does show that right here. So we do have the input range of 12 volt to 24 volt. I do think it has a maximum input of 32, but since it says 24, let's just go ahead and expect that to be correct. But again, since I'm using that 6S system, I'm going to be sticking within the acceptable range that it says right here on the device itself. And then you see that output here is a 5 volt type C. So this is a Raspberry Pi 4. So you have that type C interface, simply USB. And then you have your positive and negative input for your 12 to 24 volts. Like I said, it's a very basic type of device, but it's certainly beneficial to make sure your onboard circuitry or your onboard Raspberry Pi has very clean DC power to keep that device online. My name is Chris with Elevations. As always, I do hope you learned something today. Please like and subscribe below. Thank you for watching.